Hello and welcome to the channel Reality Technified by Steven. What do we understand about formwork? Just as like the role of an ice tray in freezing the water to become ice, the formwork acts like an ice tray in supporting the concrete harden and achieve its full maximum strength. Formwork is important in order to harden the concrete in achieving the desired shape until the freshly poured concrete reaches its compressive strength and efficient durability. Formwork can be of timber, steel, aluminium, plastic, plywood, fabric. Formwork, commonly known as centering in case of slab casting and shuttering in case of beam and column casting. Since ages, the conventional formwork, which could be of either plywood or timber or a mixture of both, has been playing an excellent role in boosting the construction industry due to it being non-economical and also a danger to the environment due to the excess use of timber and plywood. An advancement in the formwork is necessary. Maiwan technology is one of such formwork system which is being widely used globally. Let us know more about the Maiwan technology and the features it has to offer. Maiwan technology was first developed by an European company in 1990s. Is an aluminium formwork which has expanded its reach globally in the last 2 decades in constructing larger quantities of homes or units, that too also at a faster rate. Apart from it being an economical formwork, it can be reused throughout the entire construction process and also lately. Maiwan technology is a true updation in the formwork system and is a perfect example of technology blended with construction. The reason why this formwork technology is adapted by the developers globally to complete their projects at a faster. Maiwan formwork stands bright over the conventional formwork in terms of better quality, in terms of providing better structural stability, resistance to the effect of wind and seismic forces, and most importantly in reducing the time and cost. As rightly said by Suzanne Tucker, as we evolve, our homes should too, is a perfect quote which shows that Maiwan formwork technology is an advanced formwork technology over the conventional formwork. In this Maiwan formwork, apart from it requiring less labor and completing the project at a much faster rate, it has more advantages to offer, as like providing smooth finishes after the construction process, providing lesser number of joints and reduced leakages, providing more resistance to seismic forces, keeping the maintenance cost low, providing huge carpet area, and also providing a good quality of construction work. The future scope of the Maiwan technology is already in a positive momentum to boost the realty sector and take it to new heights, also proving it to be eco-friendly and sustainable. The evolution of construction industry with time and with the help of technology has proven to be economical over the conventional methods and has helped the industry emerge in an all new form, progressing towards growth. Unlike many other techniques, this technology of Maiwan formwork also has some limitation, as like the initial setup process is much more time consuming than the conventional formwork. There is no scope of alterations or modification as desired on each new floor to be constructed. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing upcoming videos.